Good morning, class 7th. Now, today we are going to discuss about the fourth chapter of civics, role of the government in health. So, first of all, we are going to discuss about health. Health means our ability to remain free from illness and injuries. Health is not only concerned with diseases. Some other factors also affect our physical and mental health. Whatever the factors affect our physical and mental health, they are sanitation, clean drinking water, pollution free environment, sufficient and nutritious food, proper shelter, and a life without mental strain. Healthcare in India. The state government has the responsibility The state government has the responsibility for planning, implementing, and monitoring schemes to improve public health. So, the government sets up health centers, hospitals, laboratories for testing, ambulances, ambulance services, blood banks, etc. In order to run these institutions, the health workers, nurses, doctors, and other health professionals are also employed. These people advise, diagnose, and treat illness. In India, the government's effort to improve public health have been focused in the 5-year plans on coordinated planning between the states and the centers and on sponsoring health programs various health programs. After that, there is given a case study, you have to read it. Thereafter, public health services. Public healthcare services include the whole chain of health clinics and hospitals operated by governments. In villages, the government provides a health center with a nurse and village health worker working under the superintendence of doctor at the primary health center, that is known as PHC. These hospitals are called public as the government provide health care to all citizens and resources injured sorry health provides health care to all citizens and the resources required to operate these come from taxes paid by public. Thus the government takes care of health by preventing spreading disease like malaria, jaundice, chikungunya, diarrhea, tuberculosis, that is also known as TB. It is the duty of government to ensure right to life to all. For this, it is essential that people get timely treatment, especially during emergency situations. Now, whatever there are some drawbacks found in public health care services, those are fund provided by the authorities are very meager and often not utilized. Means whatever the fund released by the government that are very less, and those funds are not utilized by the responsibles. Skilled, dedicated doctors are unwilling to serve in rural areas, resulting in huge shortage of trained medical personnels. There is lack of infrastructure in the rural areas. Taking patient to hospitals is a common problem. Most public health facilities provide only basic care and have poorly maintained medical equipment. The number of public health facilities is also inadequate. There is a Shortage of community health center and qualified doctors and nurses, especially in the villages. Private healthcare services. Private healthcare services have increased tremendously in the past few years. 75% of healthcare is now provided by the private hospitals and doctors. The private hospitals are modern, clean, and attract the middle class as well as the rich. So people prefer going to private hospitals. However, private healthcare facilities are mostly found in cities. They are expensive and hence the common man cannot afford it. Healthcare and equality. Is adequate healthcare available to all? In India, private health services are increasing, but public health services are deteriorated. Majority of the population cannot afford the treatment. However, private services even misuse their service by recommending unnecessary medicines, injections, and saline bottles when mild medicine can be very sufficient. In India, hardly 20% of the population can afford the expensive medical treatment due to poverty and hardships. This situation happens again and again. Poor people are malnourished, they do not have proper drinking water, adequate housing, etc., and therefore they fall sick. Sometimes shortage of money also prevent people from getting proper treatment. Health of women and health of tribals are the two major areas neglected in India. So, thank you. I will give you the exercises of this chapter very soon. Thank you.